Aberdeen is Scotland's third largest city. It has a population of 210,000. The building services team for the city looks after 23,000 houses, the repairs and maintenance of all of those homes, plus the repairs and maintenance of other properties belonging to the council. We were driven to look at a different way to improve the customer experience and also to drive efficiencies. We have 500 workers throughout the city, they're craftsmen of different types, and these workmen have to be in the right place at the right time. And we wanted to deliver a one-stop process. We arrive at a place, we fix the job, and then we leave the place. We evaluated and we found that an ideal way was to have a mobile working system.
We conducted a public tender under the EU regulations. 50 people responded initially. The successful tenderer was Consilium's Total Mobile. Total Mobile is our platform to run mobile working on. They had the best integrated package.
We took what was a lot of very inefficient processes and made them that they were now a lot more mobile, a lot more efficient. The calls basically come into the call centre. There's a diagnosis of what that fault is. The fault goes through selecting the nearest and most appropriate person to do that job. The person then gets that job to their device, the MC55. They'll be able to complete that work using material in their van. Their timesheet is recorded on the device. That's all brought back into their back office systems without the men coming back into site. So from what was previously a lot of inefficient time being wasted, Aberdeen using Total Mobile has completely revolutionised that. But we have a good relationship with Motorola. But we found that the MC55, a very good device to work with, very rugged. Our software just simply plugs and plays on it.
The MC55 is one in a family of enterprise digital assistants. Aberdeen Council was particularly interested in them because they trialled consumer devices, found they weren't robust enough. The MC55 has a drop specification so it can withstand the bumps and knocks that occur on a daily basis. The device itself has a large, clear 3.5-inch screen, but it's a small, compact device, so it can easily be carried all day when used by the craftspeople, but at the same time gives them clear visibility of the total mobile application. Also, with the mobile communications, it means that the craftspeople can get their jobs remotely, they can automatically update when they've completed a job, and they can get the most relevant information.
You sign your van out from your house in the morning and then you get your first job sent to you. If you need materials, if you haven't got it in the van, you can use the device to get your materials sent directly from the stores to the job.
It will then come through on this handheld here, which you can see here. I've actually got a list of all the stuff that somebody's actually used during the day. You've got barcodes on here, you've got a barcode scanner on the end. I just say one or two of those, do the barcode on there, and it will come off my stock here and go out to the van.
You happy enough with that job?
Yes.
So what I'll do is I'll complete a job and yes, all the job was done how you wanted it. Next, and then I'll get you to sign here. And then I can request my next visit, accept the job, and then I'd say I'm on my way.
The system is excellent. It's helped us to be a more efficient service, and it's helped us to drive proper performance indicators. We have promised to deliver 95% of the repair services within 24 hours. We're now able to deliver 94% within 4 hours. The ultimate benefits of the system are the increased productivity. In the first year that we employed this service, we managed to save £1.5 million. It makes it very competitive both in the public and the private sector, and also allows us to look to the future both as a commercial organisation as well as a public sector based organisation.